This is a 2003 Ford F-250 with a 5.4 gas engine, 4x4, 134,000 miles. In absolutely remarkable condition for its age. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Tow package, bed liner, absolutely no rust on this vehicle whatsoever. Running boards, brand new tires, no rust anywhere on the truck. A 4-door extended cab, all the jump doors open and work. Everything works on the truck. For an 03, amazingly clean. Cloth interior. Center console, no rips. On the seats, no rips. Everything is super clean on this truck. 134,000 miles. 4x4, AM, FM, CD. The only wear spot is right there on that seat. No sagging headliner. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. Tilt wheel, keyless entry. It does have a trailer brake. It's pre-wired. So this is a 2003 Ford F-250 4x4 extended cab. 134,000 miles in absolutely remarkable condition for its age.